Have you ever gone up to a business and asked them, what do you understand by cookies? You're going to get some pretty wild answers. Some will be pretty accurate where they understand that information and statistics are being collected from their website, whereas others just think it's something, a button you got to click so that you can interact with the website. Cookies are one of the most misunderstood parts of a modern website. We've always seen thousands of them on loads of websites, but a lot of people have never really learned to understand what they're all about. Some people think that cookies are dangerous, and some of them just see them as annoying pop-ups. In reality, cookies are actually powering the experiences that people have with remembering their logging sessions, tracking website performance, and even supporting personalized marketing. So the question to ask yourself is that when visitors go to your website and they see your cookie banner, have you made it really clear for them to understand what it's all about and what's happening? Because if you don't do that, how could they make that clear choice? So here's a website that's using the CookieBot plugin by Usercentrics. You can run a scan or you can go to a previous one, and I'm going to get some really useful information about what cookies are plugging in terms of necessary preferences, marketing, and statistics on my website. But what does this all mean? So take this necessary one, which is WC Fragments. You're going to see this as soon as you install WooCommerce, even before you've built any products. This relates to the shopping cart on your website. So when someone adds a product, it just makes sure it goes into the cart and it's remembered. And it is quite essential if you want your shopping experience to be fast and seamless. And what about this one? This is actually the core tracking for Google Analytics. And when I go down to the marketing section, there's a load of cookies being collected or information from the YouTube video, and I only have one on the page. Really briefly, I do want to explain that necessary cookies are the ones you definitely have to have on your website if it's going to function and work properly. So it could be like your WooCommerce cart, it could be allowing people to log into their accounts, or even remembering what the user selected on the cookie banner. Preference cookies are more about respecting what the user's done in the past. It could be a language selection, it could be a currency selection. Statistics cookies are the ones that Google Analytics relies on, so how long were you on the page, what pages or posts were being viewed the most. And marketing cookies are to understand where you went and where you clicked so that you could have more personalized marketing applied to you. Now, most people don't need to be an expert in understanding every single cookie, but when you have the CookieBot plugin giving you all of these summaries and reports, it makes your life so much easier. Because if anyone ever finds out what cookies are being loaded, maybe they inspected their website and they go and send you a question, don't you want to be able to answer that?